I'm Tanya Ross of TDR Academy of Movement Therapy. The next movement is, again, we're into the musculocutaneous nerve, and we're taking it through nerve gliders, sliders, flossers, whatever you want to call it. Just to see whether if you've been positive on the test, the active test that I've got you to do in a previous video. If you've been positive, then again, this is a movement that may be helpful to help alleviate some symptoms. So with this one, we have this kind of loose fist again, and we're watching the hand, but then you're going to imagine that you're throwing something away behind you. So you're going to open up the fist as you take it fully behind. So again, that loose fist, the thumb can be inside the fingers, and then you're just throwing it behind. So it's not a sudden throw, you're just taking it gradually and progressively through the movement, and you're just watching where the hand goes with your head. So as you take it through, hopefully taking it short of any symptoms. If you feel anything, then just go slightly less in the movement, around about a 10 rep range, maybe building up to 20 over the course of the week. Again, making sure that you don't feel anything as a positive test, if you like, always going short of that so that you're not recreating symptoms. Otherwise, it's just irritating. So you're trying to get movement encouraged in those neural tissues without irritating it further. So if you're finding that this is proving effective, then that's great. You can retest again, and that will give you some more information as to whether that has lessened, but maybe you're noticing it improving things through the course of your day. So hopefully these have been useful. Certainly if you haven't checked out any of the other nerve videos, please do check them out, and hopefully they will help you in some capacity. But if in doubt, always please see a medical professional just to make sure you're getting that more educated opinion on what may be best for you at this point in time. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. You know the drill by now. I'll see you again soon.